Hi, I'm Neil Peacock. I'm the founder of PingPod, and I wanted to take a minute to talk about our philosophy as a company and kind of what we're trying to create with these products. And so I'm a big believer in open systems. And of course, when Android first came out, I was very excited about it. And I do like Android and still use it for my phone personally, of course. And what I did find though was that a lot of the applications and software that I was familiar with and like to use wasn't available for Android. Some still isn't. And so a lot of us at the time were playing with chroot and some other tricks to kind of get access to the tools that we wanted. But there's always a trade-off with that. And so we wanted a real GNU Linux OS running right on the processor. And that's what we have created with the PingPod. And that's our mindset. I believe and we believe that you should own your hardware. You bought it, it should be yours. You should be able to do whatever you want. Whatever is in your ability to attempt to do with the device, you should be free to succeed in that or to fail in that, but it's your time and your efforts that should be spent on it. You shouldn't be trying to work around restrictions that we've put on the devices. And so our commitment is to create a platform that works for you right off. We're going to deliver you a working Linux boot and Android. And we're going to deliver the source for all of our tools. And so if you have an idea of modifying something we've created, we're not going to stand in your way. All that source is available online. All the tools that we use to modify the devices and create our images is going to be online and available. And let's see, we're going to make sure you have everything we have to create what you want, because we can't think of everything, right? Obviously. And our users really impressed us with the first generation devices, our PingPod 1000 and PingPod 700. People came up with all kinds of things that we hadn't thought of. There was a door control system, the access cards. Someone had made low-cost user terminals with their own data entry programs. Let's see. There was like a SCADA industrial control system with temperature sensors, a boat GPS navigation system. A couple of companies made 3D printer controls with a nice touch control system. And then there was an OpenBravo POS restaurant software, so you could do really a low-cost, touch register system. And there's really a lot of expensive industrial control type systems out there. And that's part of what we noticed, is there's no reason these days to have to spend that much money for a high-powered, low-cost touchscreen control device. The hardware's out there, and we're trying to give you access to it. Because there's a whole world out there of open source software that already meets everyone's needs. So we just want to create a platform for you to be able to fulfill your needs, to get your software running, to get your application running on some of this great hardware which is available now. And so that's the goal at PingPod. We don't want to limit your potential. We want you to be able to reach your goals on your tablet.